Hello and welcome back. So here we're going to be looking at converting fractions to recurring decimals. So the objective here is to convert fractions to recurring decimals using short division. So short division is also commonly known as the bus stop method. So a quick definition before we get started. So a recurring decimal is where one or more of the digits repeat forever. So for example, we have 0.3 recurring, that's the same as 0.33333333, and so on and so forth. 0.14 recurring is 0.141414, and 0.235 recurring is 0.235, 235, 235, and so on and so forth. So it's important to note that if the dot is above the 2 and the 5, then that means that everything between 2 and 5 repeats. So that's why it's 235, 235. If we had something like 0.672 recurring, that means that just the 2 part recurs. So this would be 0.6722222. So before we do this, we're going to just quickly recap on what we mean by short division or the bus stop method. So if we have 1,371 divided by 3, using the bus stop method, we're going to draw out 3 and we're going to put 1371 inside the bus stop. And we ask ourselves, how many times does 3 go into 1? So that's 0, remainder 1. And then we say, how many times does 3 go into 13? So this time that's 4, remainder 1. Then we say, how many times does 3 go into 17? So that is 5, remainder 2. And then we say how many times does 3 go into 21? So that is 7. So that is the bus stop method. So that's how we would work out 1,371 divided by 3 if we did not have a calculator. So here's an example. So this one, we have to do 1 over 3 to a recurring decimal. So 1 over 3 basically just means 1 divided by 3. So we're going to use the bus stop method again. So this time I'm going to put 3 outside the bus stop and then I'm going to put a 1. But I'm also going to put a decimal place and I'm going to put a bunch of zeros. So then I'm going to say, how many times does 3 go into 1? So 3 goes into 1 0 times, with 1 as a remainder. And then how many times does 3 go into 10? Well, 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 as a remainder. 3's into 10, again, is 3 with 1 remainder. 3's into 10 is 3 with 1 remainder. And you're kind of starting to spot a pattern. So you can see that 1 divided by 3 is 0.3 recurring. And that's the answer to that question. Here's another example. So we're converting 2 ninths to a recurring decimal. So again, we're going to use the bus stop method. So 9 goes on the outside and then we're going to put 2, point and a bunch of zeros. So 9 goes into 2 0 times with 2 as a remainder. And then 9 goes into 20 2 times with 2 as a remainder. 9 goes into 20 again 2 times with 2 as a remainder. 9's into 20 2 times with 2 as a remainder. And you can see the pattern. So the answer to this one is 0.2 recurring. Here's another example. So this time we have 5 over 11. So again, I'm going to draw a bus stop. So 11 and then I'm going to put a 5 with a bunch of zeros. 11's into 5 is 0, remainder 5. 11's into 50 is 4, remainder 6. 11's into 60 is 5, remainder 5. 11's into 50 is 4, remainder 6. 11's into 60 is 5, remainder 5. So again, you can kind of see a pattern emerging here. So the answer to this one is 0.45 recurring. And I'm going to put the dots above the 4 and the 5 because we can see that the 4, 5 part is the part that's repeating. Here's another example, so 7 over 12. So again, I'm going to do the bus stop, so 12 and then 7, point and a bunch of zeros. So 12 goes into 7 0 times, remainder 7. 12's into 70, that is 5, remainder 10. 12's into 100, that is 8, remainder 4. 12's into 40, that is 3, remainder 4. 12's into 40 again, that's 3, remainder 4. 12's into 40 again, that's 3, remainder 4. And you can kind of again start to see a pattern emerging. So we have 0.5, 8 and 3. And I'm going to put the dot above the 3 because I can see that just the 3 part is the part that's recurring. So here are 3 quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. I've just displayed the answers on the screen, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!